Here's today's dessert, creamy with intense coffee flavor. Wow, it looks amazing! You must make it. Look, this little piece, for me it's delicious. Guaranteed results. The recipe is super easy. Stay until the end. Good morning, I'm VT, and this is Grandma's Kitchen. We start by making a good coffee. American coffee maker, Italian coffee maker, any coffee maker, it doesn't matter. Use whatever you have to make a good coffee. 150 milliliters, 1 cup, make sure it's hot. We're also going to use sugar, 50 grams is enough. And what we're going to do is mix everything together really well. Stir it a few times so it's completely mixed when you pour it, still hot, into a saucepan. There we have it. Next ingredient, 500 milliliters, which is 2.5 cups of whole or skim milk, whichever you prefer. We're also going to add 50 grams of cornstarch, which is about 5 tablespoons, and we're going to mix it in. Stirring really well, until there are no lumps left. This is a little trick, because cornstarch dissolves much better in cold, so the milk is cold. We go back to the pot where we have the coffee and sugar warming up, and add this in now. Dissolved, there it goes. What a beautiful mix of colors. And now, just keep it on low heat and stir. Keep stirring without stopping, until it thickens. This will take about a couple of minutes. If you're going to make the recipe and you don't want to use coffee because of the caffeine or whatever, you can use 2 packets of decaf and you're all set. Of these or whichever one you like best. And as for the sugar, you don't want to use that much sugar? Are you already complaining? Well, you can use liquid sweetener like this one, stevia for example, whichever you want. It works with all of them. See how easy and heavy the mixture is. It's been 60 seconds, just a minute. Let's keep stirring over low heat. Don't stop, or it'll stick. It's super easy. Come on, do you see it? Well, here it's been 2 minutes and it's perfect. If you take a little longer, that's fine. You need it to be this creamy. Take it off the heat. Give it one last stir so it loses some of the heat, and then we go to the mold. I've greased this one with this great trick using butter. Just give it a quick swipe like this and you make sure it comes out perfectly. We start setting up the base, a good layer of our coffee cream, spread it with a spatula to cover everywhere, and then an essential ingredient for a cookie dessert. Maria cookies, between 24 and 30 cookies. In my case, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And since I'm going to prepare 3 layers, those are the ones I'm going to use. Come on, another layer of cream, another of cookies, and so on until we finish. Then we go with our last layer of cream, and on top of it, we'll place our last layer of cookies. And once you have it, let it cool down a bit, and then put it in the fridge. And there, we'll leave it for 2 hours until it's perfect. At least 2 hours. If you leave it longer, that's fine. Even overnight. It remains creamy and delicious. That's all there is to it. After the time has passed, that's it. On the table, a creamy dessert made with Maria cookies and coffee looks spectacular. Look how amazing it looks on the table. Let's dig in with the spoon so you can see how super creamy it is. It looks absolutely amazing. And of course, you won't be able to resist. You'll have to make it. Laughter, that's it. An easy, creamy, spectacular dessert. Look, here's a piece so you can see it. Check out the inside, pure wonder. Thank you.